Hello, I'm excited about the 2024 summer tour I'm doing with my good friend and fellow speaker and educator Stan Phelps. We're kicking off in just a few weeks. Stan and I will be driving across the United States, taking nearly 5 weeks, and we'll be doing keynotes, workshops, and facilitating pitch contests that drive improvement and spark new ideas in various companies and organizations. It's all designed to entertain and educate, distilling decades of hard-won knowledge into engaging talks. The workshops provide hands-on experience to help you drive innovation and create impactful marketing. And the pitch contests, well, they're a great way to build culture and generate fresh, innovative ideas. They're a bit like Shark Tank, only solutions from your own staff and colleagues and specific to your organization and much friendlier. We start in Raleigh, then move through Richmond, D.C., Philly, and up to New York and Boston. And then we head west to Pittsburgh, Detroit, Chicago, Kansas City, Las Vegas, Denver, and Salt Lake City, and many places in between. I'm excited to meet so many great people and once again see much of this great country. We have some flexibility with dates and locations, so if you want to talk about bringing a relevant session to your company or team, now's the time to reach out. We'll do our best to make things work. After all, we'll already be in or near your area. It would be great to cross paths this summer. Let's make your organization stand out, innovate, and succeed. I'll put contact info in the comments, and we hope to see you on the road.